today is not the day where I get my hair shaved off. Today is the day where I get a fidget spinner. Whoa! Yeah. You've read the title. Your boys and guys is right here. You read the title. Only one reason. Because I got one like on the last one. But anyways. Yeah, you've read the title. Now, this is actually a Lego fidget spinner. Now, my sister made this, so shout out to her. She doesn't have a YouTube channel, though. But it's cool. You can make this at home. And yeah. Actually, I'm going to take this apart. But there's one rare item you might not find. Well, there's two, I think. There might be rare. But anyways, hold on. So one, it's a chair that's like this. This thingy, this is one rare item you might find. And a gun. Yeah, this is a gun. So yeah, anyways. Oh my gosh. Hold on. I'm putting this back together. And then how to build it, you say, so get a chair, put it like that. Get this rare item, and put it on. And then get the gun, and then put it on the fidget spinner. So now you have this, and then you just need these 4 parts. So I'm gonna do that too. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Anyways, guys, yeah. Sister,
by the way, this one, and this one are all mine. He showcased it as his.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Wait, did I?
Yeah.
Oh. With ours.
Plus, I'm that weird derp. Go to the description.
You always do that. Okay, anyways, guys, back to the video. So, I just fixed this Lego fidget spinner. I even showed you how to make it.
Not today!
Oh, what's happening? Another troll! Oh, oh no! Oh, okay. Fidget spinner. I'm gonna pause. Okay, but anyways, I have to move to a different place. That my brother and sister always told me. Anyways, let's put this. So first off, fidget spinner stack. Yeah. I'm gonna. Oh my gosh, hold on. Showcase. This is also giving a huge shout out to my brother and sister. Stop trolling! Okay. If you troll in the next video, I won't shout out to you. Oh, fidget spinners. Hold on. I'm gonna try to on these guys. Anyway, if the cam falls, that is not my fault. But anyways, guys, back to the video. So actually, the fidget spinners, stack them. Oh my god, hold on. Okay, back to the video, guys. Let's just. No, what's happening? I need to move to. Okay, sorry for all the pauses. It's only been 3 minutes, but let's fidget spinner stack quickly. Oh my god. Him in the background, him right there, that's my brother. He's that weird dirt and he keeps calling me. That's why I always get these interrupts. Oh my god. What? Okay. Well, that looks clunky a little bit. Like the first fidget spinner. There. So let's make this tiny one. Anyone else wants to volunteer to fidget spinner down? I should put that one. Okay, let's get that fidget spinner. Get that one. And the camera is always still because my sister and brother, they did it in one video. They controlled the cam and like all got messed up. That's why I called it a fail, because everything was crazy. Oh my god. That too. Get that. Oh my god. No, I thought toasting. Yeah. Anyways.
Made in India. That's India and
Wait, hold on. I need to get something. See, how to this is gonna He's my own cameraman now. Yeah, he's the cameraman who'll watch behind the cam. Okay. He's gonna watch behind the cam. There we go. I put him kind of behind the cam. Anyways.
I know you're there.
Spinner stack. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh man. I'm just gonna try to do this.
What's up there? How many crosses have you broken?
Look at that. It's a fidget spinner.
I saw you go over there.
But anyways, let's keep fidget spinner stacking. This is hard, super hard. Please don't tilt. Please don't tilt. I need. Is there any more fidget spinners that volunteers? Okay, you will, Goldie. Whatever your name is. Even though he's not spinning anymore. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No, Goldie, you're out of the game. How about this rainbow girl? Oh. Yes, it's still spinning. Yes. Now finally, this is the final one I'm gonna do. Bam. You girl. Yes! Oh my gosh! A fidget spinner stacked on cam. Oh my god. Do it. Oh no. No. It moved the camera a little bit. Anyway, you can still see him. How? You can still see him on the cam. Anyways. Yeah, let's get fidget spinner stacking. So that was cool. I have a routine now. Bam. Bam. Okay, so I know how to go now. I have to do this. Fingers crossed. Bam, this girl wants to volunteer. No. I accidentally moved it. How about this girl goes first? Oh my god. Well, this is a balanced fidget spinner. And the fidget spinners, oh my gosh. The fidget spinners on cam looks cool. It's like, there's an illusion. You could see it. It's called an illusion. If it's in light or something, it looks super cool. Like, it might not work on two bearing fidget spinners like this one, but it will work on like these. Look at that. That looks super cool. But it might work on these circle ones. Anyway, so after some fidget cube stacking. Yeah, let's do fidget cube stacking. This is super easy. Oh, no! Fidget cube stacking is hard, kind of. Oh my god.
I know you're pointing at me.
This is okay. So I need it like. Oh, here. Look at that.
No, you're doing it wrong.
Like
hey!
No! Nothing.
Do this. Oh. And then do this. And then this.
Oh, well, I still need to do this. One. Please, perfect. Oh, then do this. No. Oh, wait. I got an idea. Hey, what the?
No. You can have mine.
It's Tetris.
Oh, yeah. No, that's slippery. Oh, I got it. So we put that one and then this one. Oh, I did it! Oh my god, that looks tilty on camera. Oh my god! Whoa! That's a Wii U. What? The Wii U gamepad. Oh.
You guys already killed the one on the ship.
Duh.
We've let this one live because we've given him bottled water.
You know what? Yeah, oh my gosh. This is gonna be super easy. Wait, I got an idea. Okay, so this one could actually, this is very like stiff, kind of loose, and it could go straight that part. Look, get that there, and oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it could still work. I know, but please work. Oh, it worked. A different. Let's move the camera up. Yeah. Koala is my cameraman. I forgot. Unless if you see, if you could kind of see it, like if I tip this over, you might see Punch Out or like the Wii Punch Out.
Yeah, it's Punch Out with Mr. Dream instead of Mike Tyson.
Give me the yellow thing.
Sadly.
If you don't know what that is,
Look it up.
it's actually an old game.
How many did you see?
Old game.
What do we-
Actually, there's a new version that came out in 2006, which is Punch Out Wii. Yeah, go check them out. I'm gonna.
You're completely missing. You're like going through me.
Hey, what the?